Now let's do exercise 1.2 of number system. First question here is state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. The first is every irrational number is a real number. This first statement is true. Why? Because real numbers include rational numbers and irrationals. Second statement, every point on number line is of the form square root of m, where m is a natural number. This statement is false. Why? What about the numbers like -2, -4? We can't represent them in this form, -2 square root of this on number line. So this is a false statement. And third, we have every real number is an irrational number. No, this is also false statement, because what about the rational numbers like 2 by 3, 5 by 4? They are not irrational numbers. Like the number like -2, -5, 10, all these numbers are real numbers, but they are not irrational numbers. Second question here we have, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? Answer is no. So if not, give an example of the square root of a number that is rational. For example, you can give so many examples here. The square root of 4, which is equal to 2. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. So like this we have so many examples. Means the square root of this positive integer 4 is equal to 2. The square root of positive integer 9 is equal to 3. Now let's do third question. Third question here is, show this square root of 5 on number line. Let's do some construction here in next page. Note that we can write 5 as 4 plus 1 and 4 as 2 square plus, and this 1 as 1 square. If we take square root both sides, we'll get square root of 5 is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 square. This equation I'll take as 1. Now this is my number line. Here I will take a point A on number line such that OA is equal to 2 units. Okay, so this is 1 unit and this is 2 units. So this point I'll take as A, and this OA is equal to 2 units. Next step here, I will draw perpendicular from A on number line. So let's draw this. This is my A, so this is my perpendicular on A. So I'll join this and see. So AC is a perpendicular on number line. Correct. Now like this, with the help of my compass, I will open this as 1 unit and I will mark that point on AC. And this point here, my A is B. Okay. And this AB is equal to 1 unit. And how much is OA? OA is 2 unit. So from here I will join O and B. Next step is join OB. So I will join this OB. Correct. So this triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So I'll apply Pythagoras theorem here. So according to that theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AD square. OA is equal to 2 unit, 2 square plus this AB is, I have taken 1 unit, 1 square. Squaring both sides, taking square root both sides, will get OB is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. Now compare these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. From here we'll get OB is equal to square root of 5. Correct. Now I will mark a point on number line such that that point D, and let's take that point is D such that OD is equal to OB. Now I'll open my compass equal to OB and mark a point on number line, and this point I will take as D. So this OD represents the square root of 5 on number line. So last question, fourth question here is this classroom activity. Let's do this also in next page. Here in this question we have to complete this spiral. So here what we are doing, we have to make this is 1, this is 1, this is square root of 2, then this is square root of 2, 1, and this will come square root of 3. After that it will become, if I draw a perpendicular here, then this will be 1 unit, and again I will join this point with O. Then this line O, I'll mark point A, B, C. This OA is equal to square root of 2, OB is equal to square root of 3, OC will be equal to square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So I can write here square root of 4. Similarly, from on OC I will draw a 90-degree angle with my this is 90-degree angle. Then I will open my compass 1 unit, because every time we have to make 1 unit of this, and then I will mark here. This is 90-degree, correct? Now if I join this point, I'll take this point as D. If I join this point with O, this is 1 unit, this will be equal to square root of 5. Similarly, now from this point D, I will draw perpendicular on OD. So let's draw this with the help of this protector. Okay. Here in this question, this perpendicular which is 1 unit from D. So this is that. So this I will join. Again I will join these 2 points. This is 1 unit. So this I'll take E. This OE will be equal to square root of 6. Correct? It will go like that only. Now again from E I will draw perpendicular on OE. Okay, this is my perpendicular. Now I will open my compass 1 unit and I will mark a point on this equal to 1 unit. Correct? Now join these 2 points. This point I'll take F. So if I join this F with O, I will get what? Square root of 7. Correct? It will go on like this. You will be able to make a complete circle here. This is also 90-degree. Again, draw a 90-degree angle on OF from F with the help of protector. Correct? So this 90-degree angle will come. This will be straight. This is 90-degree angle. Now I will mark this perpendicular which is G. So if I join this O with G, I will get square root of 8, and next it will come square root of 9 like this. OC, OD is equal to 5, OE square root of 5, OE is equal to square root of 6 square, OF is equal to square root of 7, OG will be equal to square root of 8, and this will go on. You can complete this like